Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cryoviva for would-be moms. Last video, I talked about difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can deal with this problem. To begin with, let's first understand the phenomenon of breathing. Now, when you breathe, you inhale the air from your nostrils, it goes down. You have a diaphragm here just beneath the lungs, which goes down such that the lungs can expand. They expand this way and this way like a balloon. When you exhale, the diaphragm goes upwards and the entire air is coming out from your nostrils. This is the phenomenon of breathing. But what happens here, since your uterus is growing, so it compresses this diaphragm, because of which diaphragm is not able to go down. That is when your breathing is affected. Now, how to deal with it? First, avoid sitting in this posture. Now, when you sit in this posture, you're already not letting the space being created. So, try to stay as erect as possible so that there's a good space between your uterus and your diaphragm. Second, when you're sleeping, try to sleep slightly elevated such that again the lungs are not doing too much of work under gravity. Third, let's do some yoga techniques which are going to help you get rid of the problem. Now, what I see when I tell patients to breathe, what do? They just expand this area and they don't do anything here. Now, to give as an input, what I say is keep one hand over the chest, one hand over the abdomen. Close your eyes and inhale deeply and exhale. When you inhale, both the hands are going to go out together, and when you exhale, both the hands are going to go in together. Now, this means that you're doing a good deep breathing and not a shallow breathing. Next that I want to give you is Anulom Vilom. Everybody must be knowing it. So, one hand here, thumb here and this finger here. So, you inhale from one, exhale from the other. Let's begin from the left. Once you're done with these, you can just roll your hands like this and place it over your face, right? So, whenever you're doing these inhalation and exhalations, you can close your eyes, focus on your breath. This can also help you relax your mind. It can also help you deal with your anxiety issues, and it can also help you improve your quality of sleep. Stay tuned for the next videos. Have a healthy pregnancy.